Holy crap, there's so much depth underneath me.
Some of these are so funny.
Hey, so a couple months ago I bought something very interesting. It is a underwater disposable camera. Yes, it's a film camera. To be honest, I have no idea what to expect of the quality. So yeah, the photos are either gonna be shit or they're gonna blow us away. They're gonna be incredible. So I bought this camera when I was in Sydney and I took it with me up north in Australia to the Great Barrier Reef because I was like, there's literally no better place to test this camera out than there.
Okay. As soon as you start going that 90 degrees, oh my god, look at that turtle. This turns into a straw, okay? You are now drowning, okay?
Maybe you actually can relate. I am not necessarily afraid of heights, but I feel like when I'm in water and I look down, I feel panicky and I'm like, holy crap, there's so much depth underneath me. And I find being in the sea a little bit scary. So testing out this camera was a challenge. And also when you're trying to look through the camera, it's a tiny hole you're looking through. And then especially underwater, wearing goggles, little hole, I have no idea what I shot. So I'm back in the Netherlands now. I got them developed in my local film development store over here. And I just got an email with the results because I always like to collect them digitally. I always like to collect the photos digitally. Digitally. So I got the film photos digitally. But before we're gonna dive into having a look at the photos, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about this camera. So this is a KODAK Sport film camera and it's a disposable one. So when you get it developed, you're not gonna get the camera back. It's just goodbye. We have good times, but yeah, you can take 27 photos with this film camera. And you can take the camera down 15 meters underwater and it's still fine. Or at least that's what it says on the packaging. I have my doubts. You know what? Let's just have a look. I can't wait any longer, so I'm gonna download them and let's have a look at the photos together. Oh, I already saw some. I'm gonna click download. I have my phone here. Okay, let's start at the first one. I even have my finger in front of the lens. We're off to a great start with these photos. Oh my god. A little bit too close maybe. I don't know. I don't even know what I was trying there. Oh yeah. That's actually not too bad. Okay, another finger in front of the lens. Let's just ignore that. Wow, what a masterpiece. Okay, that's interesting shot. Oh, little fun fact about these fishes. They call them dog fish. So the big brown one on this shot. And that's because the fish literally come up to you like they're dogs. Like they're so excited to try and nibble on you. I was freaking out. Even the other diver was like, are you okay? I was like, yeah, it's okay, it's okay. But yeah, I was a little bit scared. Photo of the coral. That's pretty nice. Oh, beautiful. This is actually one of my favorites. Look at this. We have shot a beautiful fish. Hey, yeah, this one's nice. So I also took a photo outside of the sea and just play with daylight a little bit. And actually it doesn't look that bad. Okay, I thought it would be fun to show these photos to Mike as well. See his very raw and pure reaction to my terrible photos. In that moment, you feel so main character. You're like, this is gonna be a shot.
This guy's also looking at me.
You're like, what is she trying to do?
Bunda.
Bunda.
Some of these are so funny. They're actually so funny.
What do you rate my photos out of 10?
Some of them are really good. Some of them are shocking. I think overall, 6.5 out of 10.
Oh, that's pretty good actually.
Yeah.
No, you can leave.
Oh, okay.
Bye.
Right.
Bye. So, this is how all the photos turned out. Leave your thoughts and your opinion down below in the comment section. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion about this disposable film camera. Alright, so the fact that they're film photos is pretty cool. I liked the process of taking the photos, like really trying to get a perfect shot, because with a film camera you only have a limited amount of shots. Winding up a film camera underwater, taking the shots, that was pretty cool. And also that feeling of, ooh, did it work out? Did it turn out great or shit? So I would still definitely recommend have a play around with it. I linked the camera in the description. If you decide to test it out, definitely send me some of your photos. Make me jealous, because these are terrible, but it was still fun. Let's take some better photos in my next video. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at my next video. Okay, bye bye, doei!